Hello everyone, welcome to Added Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for 27th Tuesday. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. As expected, we were expecting kind of a sideways move, but had a nice free fall on the daily chart. If you see, there are nice two big red candles. Now, just on the daily chart, if you see the next level of support, right, the major support is this. Obviously, twice we have taken support over here, that is around 38,000. And we will see our intraday levels for sure, but we have had a nice fall in Bank Nifty and the same in Nifty almost kind of filled this gap that was there. We will be seeing the intraday levels, but when Nifty was at this position, right, thought we might fill this gap, but we have exactly taken like a support on this gap boundary. So we'll have to see what is the next targets that is there. Now on this daily chart, if from this recent low of 15,000, if we place some kind of a Fibonacci retracement, right, we have exactly come until the 32%. If this level breaks, the next level on the Fibonacci is about 50%. So obviously maybe tomorrow will be a sideways day. We'll look into it, what are the possible things that we can do, or some kind of a pullback, a retracement on the upside is also possible. Let's just review how the trade went today. There's a specific reason why I didn't put the trade review video today, is because we were scalping only in the 1 minute time frame using the EMAs left and right. We had pretty nice, though we over traded, but we ended up in green pretty good. We traded this move, we traded the up move, all based on the EMA and the price action. We traded this down move, then by then we had already over traded today and kind of stopped for the day. If I show you my statement, see, this is the PNL and these are all the trades that we took. So obviously, and I have one live natural gas trade that is going on. So it was a pretty good day for us, though we over traded a little bit, but there were nice moves. That's the reason because the VIX was high. Whenever the VIX is high, and even a small move, now say especially this move when we captured, right, from here to here, our perfect target hit, the option premiums were jumping like 20, 30, 40 points. So that's a good way. That's one good thing about having high VIX. If you see the VIX, it was high throughout the day. The India VIX, it was high throughout the day. Only in the end, probably we had some slip. Now coming for the trade possibilities and what we can do tomorrow, we are coming to this chart, our intraday 15-minute chart. In this 15-minute chart, after having nice fall, right, we have kind of made this type of corrective pattern that is going to begin. So what we'll wait for tomorrow is look for two patterns like this. One, either this could be forming like a double bottom, and then once this level breaks out, we can trade with the first on the long side with first target as 39,200 and then 39,500. The other possibilities, if the dip is going to continue today, again FIS have sold for around 5,000 crores, I think, and DIs have sold roughly about bought for roughly about 3,000 crores. I just saw the pop-up, but I haven't seen the data completely. And that is one move, either a double top and a breakout. And if you're going to break down, look for this type of a move where we'll make this type of a B, C, D, E, and then a breakdown. And then if this today's low, that is around 38,500, breaks, probably fill this gap, and these are the lower targets. And wherever we short, if we get a nice shot, we have to book some profits here, because this is where a nice bounce can come, because twice we have bounced nicely from 38,000, that is around 37,945. so this way we'll have to be careful. So this is our trade plan in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. That is the two possibilities on this 15-minute chart. One, I'll just repeat it, like form this W pattern, double bottom, and once this level breaks out, we can come probably even retrace until here. The other one is make some kind of a triangle or a box pattern, correct within this range, and then a break on the downside or a break on the upside. So this is what we will watch out for. We'll closely monitor this range that I'm going to mark now, that is between. We'll closely monitor this range. If we get a breakout or a breakdown from this range, there's a possibility that we can get a breakout on the upside or a break on the downside. That is with Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, see, Nifty, although we had this nice fall which was tradable and the up move, it kind of remained corrective. And the same with Nifty. Watch out for this type of a W pattern or a double bottom and then a breakout. Once this level breaks, probably we can go and fill this gap at 17,290. Or the other possibility is watch out for this type of a corrective wave, either a box pattern or a triangle pattern. And once we break out of this range or a breakdown of this range, these are the lower targets, and targets on the lower side, whatever I marked. And one more thing is, again in Nifty we have a pretty important support. That is, one is this, that is 16,875, and probably fill this gap at 16,600. I don't think we will slip so much, but yeah, we'll never know. The way the FIs are selling, we might get some nice momentum on the downside. And coming to the global market, the US futures is pretty flat right now. We'll have to see how they close, and because of this, SGX Nifty is indicating a gap up, right? So a small gap up is for sure in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll have to see what type of a chat pattern comes after the gap up and how we can trade it. We'll have to watch on that. And coming to the CPR, we have a pretty okay CPR, nothing too, it's not too wide or too narrow. We could have another trending day like this where we can get some good scalping moves, and let's see how it goes. That's it for now with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope tomorrow also we can make some money. Thank you.